Using Book Widget. First, you will type the URL of BookWidget. That is www.bookwidget.com. Then when their page loads, you will click Sign In. Then you are given choices on what account you will use. Either you like to sign in using your Google account, Microsoft account, or with your Smart School account if you have one. Or, if you are new to BookWidget, you can create your own account. So for me, I'll be using my Google account. So let's just wait for the BookWidget account to load up. Now you have here the home page. As you can see here, I am using a free trial account. A free trial account has 60 days for you to use the application. And as for me, I only have 34 days left. Now let's move on in familiarizing the book widget. At this side are the different menus such as the Home, Widgets, Live, Grade and Reporting, Accounts, and Support. Now let's try to create a widget. Click Create a Widget, and this box will appear containing the different widget types. As you can see, there are a lot of widget types to choose from. You have here Test and Review, Games, Pictures and Videos, Math. You could also embed third party, and the last part is the Miscellaneous, wherein you could have the checklist, form or survey, clear storage, and the planner. Okay, so let's try this. Let's go to the games and let us use the hangman. So just click the widget type that you wanted to use. Then let's just fill in the needed information like the title. Let's say my title is Computer Hardware. Then the next box to fill in is the words that the learners will guess or find. Then I will not change anymore the settings below. Let's just leave it as it is. If you're done, let's click Preview at the upper right corner of the screen and wait for it to load. In the preview mode, this is the learner's viewpoint. Now the learner can play the widget that we recently made, which is the hangman. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? So the students are playing, having fun, while learning at the same time. How cool is that? Okay, moving on, let's now click back, and we will try to download this widget. So all you need to do is click the settings icon here at the upper right portion of the screen. Then click download. As you can see, it started to download instantly. The downloaded book widgets are useful for offline learning, but you have to use another application to make it work. If you have applications for ebooks, such as Kotobi, then you can use that and integrate the book widget to your own ebook. Now for the online, all you need to do is click the share button here. Then you will be given choices of where will you want to share your widget, like if you want to share it to your Google Classroom. Or you could share it through a QR code, a link, or through emails. Now as for me, I will use this link above and use it in our WIX webpage. So let's go to our WIX website editor. And let's add here Quiz 5. Let's highlight Quiz 5, and this text settings box will appear. We will click the link icon, click web address and paste the link that we copied from our book widget and click Done. Let's save it and preview it. So now it is integrated in your web page. Very easy. Now I will show you a sample using another type of widget. Just follow the arrows to guide you in the making. Note, all of the images here are for reuse, so no need to worry about copyright issues. And there it is! You have now your instant jigsaw puzzle. How cool is that?